guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Motors and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. I have a new thing from my friends over at VEVOR. Let's open it up so you'll see what it is. At least I think that's what it is. So as you guys saw from Timelapse, obviously from the thumbnail too, you know, it's a motorcycle garage or shed. It's pretty ingenious. It took me about an hour and a half, almost 2 hours to put it together because I had to take it apart like 3 times. What have I always said about VEVOR products? Yes, they're great. They got a lot of things, but every one of their instructions are terrible. This is their instructions. They're so small, you can't tell what they're doing. This is it. I had a bag of these left over. These are expansion, these bolts right here are expansion bolts for if you want to drive them into concrete or something. But I have brass, so you don't use these. I also have a bunch of leftover bolts here and nuts and washers. No idea what it's for. I have these 2 tubular spacers. No idea where they go. I have these 2 bars with holes in them. No idea where they go. They gave me a lock, which is nice, but they don't tell you what it's for. They don't even tell you where you fasten it on the garage, on the shed. Where do you see those bolts go? Where is the tubular round things? Where's the lock? None of that is depicted on the instructions. That's it. I have no idea what it's for. I've looked up, down, all around. No idea where that bar goes. No idea where the round thing goes. No idea where you would even put the lock. But anyway, let me show you. So this is what it looks like. Kind of like a big fan. One of those Asian hand fans, like accordion style. So one of the reasons why I had to take it apart 3 times is because of this securing bar. In the directions, it only shows it hooked up to this bar. It shows this bar connected to this one, but this one didn't have holes. So I took this one off to put it on the other side to match with this one that does have holes. But then when you started putting it together, they want you to have a bar here, which means it was correct, but it didn't tell you that in the instructions. I had to take this whole thing apart like 3 times. It was a complete nightmare because it's so hot, and then when you're under here, you fasten that with some Velcro tabs, and it does that through every bar support that goes onto this big cover. So the big cover is pretty cool. It seems to be, I mean, not thick, but seems to be good quality. On the outside, it's slippery so that rain and snow can just repel off of it. And on the inside, it's rubbery. It's rubber feeling so that it grips onto the bars so it won't move. So that's very good. It's pretty good quality, I'd have to say. And it sucked putting it together though. So obviously how it works, you park your motorcycle, you back it up into there, right? And then you simply just pull this. I'm gonna do it slow so you can see what it looks like. That's it. It's pretty cool. That's what it looks like. It's nice. I mean, you could really put 2 motorcycles in here if you wanted to. It's really cool. And this is perfect for me because as you saw from the beginning of the video, I had all my tractors parked here. It looked terrible. But now that I can get my motorcycle out of the big shed, I can put it here and park my other stuff in there. As you can see that I've done off camera. So everything that was parked out here is now in the big shed where my scooter was. But now my scooter can just easily be parked here. There you go. I wanted to see if I can get it closer to the wall so I can park some other stuff there, but it's not level here, so in the middle is fine. And then the mirrors would get in the way of closing it, so. That is awesome. Scooter, motorcycle, pull it right out. It's like a garage for your motorcycle. It's pretty awesome. So that's why they want you to secure it to the ground, you know? But it's okay. Because it's up against my house, one side of it is really isolating the wind. So if it was in the middle of a field or something, and a big wind or hurricane came, it would blow right away. But because you have the structure behind it, it won't be too bad. It also has vents, a mesh vent to have air circulate through there. I mean, I guess if you want to live in there, you're going to need some vent, you know, but for a motorcycle, the motorcycle doesn't breathe. So that's my new VEVOR motorcycle or scooter shed or garage. It took a long time to install because the instructions are terrible. But, like I said before, VEVOR has great products. They just gotta get a guy to do the instructions better. You know what I mean? Anyway, I'm just being honest, you know what I mean? You guys are gonna buy this, you better be kind of mechanically inclined because you're not gonna make heads or tails of the instructions. This is great, I love it. It looks a lot more cleaner than having all my equipment sprawled around everywhere. It's made pretty well. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to check out some VEVOR products. Also, in the link in the description is an entire list of all the VEVOR products that I've reviewed on this channel. Go check the link in the description for my links to my link tree, which give you links to all kinds of other useful websites. Hope you guys enjoyed the installation. I didn't, but the end result is a much cleaner area here with a dedicated garage just for my motorcycle, scooter. Put some other crap in there too, you know what I mean? Thanks a lot for joining me, fellas. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.